Yeah, look, I think one mechanism that the leaders can use to ensure accountability is to adopt a startup mentality, right? Where the directive is clear. Generate value, whatever it takes. Let's not be constrained by the traditional corporate approach where everyone sticks in their own lanes. Let's be truly collaborative. So we don't get to that situation that you mentioned before, Jean, where, I'm working on my KPIs knowing that it's working towards the strategic goal, but I don't know what yours are and whether or not they're in some way competing against each other. So if we collaborate and we share those and we share the knowledge of what those are and we can see how they all fit together in this mesh, then I think that's going to really help everybody, appreciate what they have, but what other people have as well. And often that can help with acceptance and all sorts of things, and take away from the suspicion that they're doing something different from us and they don't really care. So, that collaborative approach and just opening up the conversation. So that startup mindset, the leaders, they embrace the agility, the innovation, the willingness to experiment. You've got to try something. If it doesn't work, fail fast, pivot and move to the next thing. And this is about a growth culture, and about values. And that's where it brings and, actually provides the value that you've been seeking. So, look, it comes with risks. Absolutely. This approach can be so different from what people are used to. They might be a bit, sort of afraid of it. But you need to remember that, for me, the only way to make a real and impactful change is to start with a step towards a new way, not a step away from an old way. So I talk to people about a toward motivation and not an away motivation.